First you watch this video.
Welcome to India. I'm about to go home, getting some fruits from. Yeah, why you honk? There's nothing on the freaking road. Oh God! How can people survive here?
In this video, a man is walking and honking street in India, complaining about the noise. But India is much more than honking street. What you see depend on what you choose to see. When I reach 1000 subscribers, I will personally travel and show you the real beautiful India. Subscribe and see India beyond stereotype. This is Rahul and you're watching No India with Rahul.